Well, hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we have a bad news. Yes, unfortunately, I have feeling that we won't see iOS 15 Beta 3 this week as Apple released the RC this week of iOS 14.7. Though I'm really excited for the Beta 3. If we will not get the Beta 3 this week, don't worry, you just don't. We will get it eventually this month. We are like just 15 days away from this month getting over, so don't worry, we will get beta 3. But the topic of this video is not that. When will the iOS 14.7 release? So, as you all know, iOS 14.7 RC, the day I'm recording this video, Wednesday, 14th of July, Apple released the RC of iOS 14.7, and the RC actually do not really brought any news features that are important enough for you to waste your time in this video, alright? So I ain't gonna waste your time. I'm not those YouTubers who do that, alright? I don't want mid-rolls, I just want you guys to gain as much information as you can in this video. The first thing you should keep in mind is that Apple release schedule this year have been really weird. Apple have been always, first of all, how these release predictions go on YouTube. How these go is, we all the YouTubers who you watch the videos of, like I Device Help with Zolotech and Brandon and all, you guys watch our videos, and how you guys get to know about these predictions, how it is that we guys just look into the history of iOS when they released the iOS 14 beta and 13 betas and all, and then we give our predictions. Though this year it is so hard to predict what's going on in the Apple world, because they have been releasing softwares all over the place. But because we expected the beta 3 to arrive this week, and 14.7 RC to arrive next week, as we have seen this thing happening in the past. But Apple thought out, let's just break the history and do it opposite, release the 14.7 RC first and then the iOS 15 beta 3. By the way, 14.7, like 13.7 never existed, so Apple release schedule is going madness. So I would expect Apple releasing the iOS 14.7 to public next week, and if not next week, maybe next to next week. But for sure, before this month will end, before my birthday, 31st July, alright, wish me on Twitter at the rate tech hyped. Wait, let's just get on to the topic. So, by the end of this month, by 31st July, we will have two updates for sure: the iOS 15 beta 3, and what we will have is iOS 14.7 released to the public. I have seen a pattern this year is that Apple is really not releasing the point 1 updates. Like last year, they were releasing iOS 13.1.1 and all those updates, but this year they are just not doing it. They are just releasing the 14.5, 6, 7, and it is just straight up really simple, to be fair. Well, that's pretty much it. If you thought that this video did give you some information and you did enjoy it, I entertained you guys for like straight up 3 minutes 45 seconds or so, consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I am right now outside, so yeah, I can't English, alright? Peace out.
Oh.